Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create an email list on GetResponse. Yes, if you're an email marketer and affiliate marketer, you understand one thing you need is an email list. So to do that is very simple. So once you log into your account, you just simply head over to create list. Now email lists, creating a list means that that's where you want a specific audience of people to be inside. So if you are generating customers or you're generating leads, you want to put them in one specific place. For instance, you can see this here are people who are interested in something I just created for people who are interested in PLR. And then you can see these are my affiliates. I just created this again. Normally I had about, I think, more than 1,000 affiliates, but majority of them were just sitting them idle without promoting my offer, so I deleted the list. So I just decided, okay, let me create a new list again. I can see it's skyrocketing again, so I might still delete this list later on. I won't advise building a list of affiliates except you are doing big launches and you always get the result. You are getting about 1,000 sales, 500 sales, 1,000 sales, 2,000 sales. Then you can have a list of affiliates, so you can always remind them of your offer. So, but as a starter, you actually don't need this, because you just be occupying space in your email and database. So to do that, now to create an email list for a specific audience, just go ahead and then you click on create list. So you can see once we create a list, click on that tab, this interface will pop up. So you can just give it a name. So let's say PLR buyers. Just give it a specific name so that you always remember. So I can just say PLR buyers, and then I'll just click on create list. So it's going to create okay, it says, okay, I'm using this already. Okay, someone else might be using this in the, might be another member using GetResponse. So this name does not exist. So I can just, let me see, I can include an hyphen. Is that hyphen? Whatever. So I underscore. So I just, let's see if it's available. So PLR buyers. So let's see if that's okay. So it's already taking. So let me just add a small s. So let's see. So that's how you create an email list. So you can see PLR buyers. So I can, if I'm selling a product relating to PLR, I can direct them to come inside here. So that's how you create an email list on GetResponse. So it's as simple as that. Anyone can do this and you shouldn't have any problem on that. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then like and then ask questions, of course, if you have a question for me. Thank you and bye bye.